Stressed out? Time to unwind. Welcome to True Life Transformation. Here we guide you to ultimate relaxation. Today, we're diving into a simple but powerful breathing exercise. Close your eyes. Breathe in slowly through your nose, letting the air fill your lungs. Hold it for a moment. Now, exhale gently through your mouth. Imagine you're in a field of flowers or by the ocean, feeling the gentle breeze. Let your mind wander to these peaceful places. With each breath, release your worries. Breathe in calm. Breathe out stress. Continue this rhythm, focusing only on your breath. Feel the tension melt away. Repeat this exercise as often as you need. Your journey to relaxation starts here. Subscribe for more wellness tips and true life transformations. Remember, you deserve this moment of peace. Stay serene, stay well. Until next time. Consciousness, the state of being aware, remains one of the most profound mysteries of existence. It is the very essence of our inner lives, the feeling of being alive and experiencing the world. From the vibrant colors of a sunset to the subtle taste of a freshly brewed cup of coffee, consciousness allows us to perceive and interpret the reality around us. It is the foundation upon which our thoughts, emotions, and sense of self are built. Consider the simple act of waking up in the morning. As you open your eyes, the world floods into your awareness. You become conscious of the sunlight streaming through the window, the sounds of birds chirping outside, and the gentle pressure of the blankets against your skin. This seemingly effortless transition from unconsciousness to consciousness highlights the remarkable nature of this phenomenon. It is the spark that ignites our inner world, allowing us to engage with the richness and complexity of life. Consciousness is not merely a passive reception of information, it is an active process of interpretation and meaning-making. We don't just see light and dark patterns, we see objects, faces, and landscapes. We don't just hear vibrations in the air, we hear music, conversations, and the rustling of leaves. This ability to transform sensory input into meaningful experiences is a hallmark of consciousness. It allows us to navigate the world, make decisions, and connect with others. The study of consciousness has captivated philosophers and scientists for centuries. Despite significant advances in neuroscience and cognitive psychology, the fundamental nature of consciousness remains elusive. How does the physical matter of our brains give rise to the subjective experience of being? This is the hard problem of consciousness, a question that continues to challenge our understanding of the mind. Subjectivity, the personal and private nature of experience, is a central feature of consciousness. Each individual experiences the world in a unique way, colored by their own memories, beliefs, and emotions. What one person finds beautiful, another may find mundane. What one person experiences as pain, another may experience as discomfort. This inherent subjectivity makes it challenging to study consciousness objectively. Awareness, the state of being conscious of something, is another key aspect. We can be aware of our internal states, such as our thoughts and feelings, as well as external stimuli, such as sights and sounds. Awareness can be focused, like when we concentrate on a specific task, or it can be diffuse, like when we daydream or let our minds wander. The ability to shift our awareness between these different states is essential for navigating the complexities of life. Self-awareness, the understanding that we are distinct individuals separate from the world around us, is a higher-level form of consciousness. It allows us to reflect on our own thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Self-awareness is the foundation of our sense of identity and our ability to understand the perspectives of others. It is what allows us to contemplate our place in the universe and the meaning of our existence. These three aspects, subjectivity, awareness, and self-awareness, are intertwined and contribute to the rich tapestry of conscious experience. They are not separate entities, but rather different facets of the same fundamental phenomenon. Understanding how these aspects interact is crucial for unraveling the mysteries of consciousness. Scientific approaches to consciousness often focus on identifying the neural correlates of consciousness, the specific brain activity associated with conscious experience. Researchers use techniques like fMRI and EEG to study brain activity during different states of consciousness, such as wakefulness, sleep, and anesthesia. By mapping these neural patterns, scientists hope to uncover the biological mechanisms that underpin consciousness. Philosophical inquiries into consciousness delve into the nature of subjective experience and the relationship between mind and matter. Dualism, the view that mind and body are distinct substances, has been a long-standing philosophical position. Materialism, on the other hand, argues that consciousness is a product of physical processes in the brain. These philosophical debates provide a framework for understanding the fundamental questions about consciousness. Integrated information theory, IT, proposes that consciousness arises from the complexity and integration of information within a system. The more integrated the information, the higher the level of consciousness. This theory offers a mathematical framework for quantifying consciousness and has been used to develop models of conscious experience. Other theories, like global workspace theory, suggest that consciousness arises from a global workspace in the brain where information from different modules is integrated and broadcast. This theory emphasizes the role of attention and working memory in conscious experience. The diverse range of scientific and philosophical perspectives reflects the complexity of the subject and the ongoing quest to understand the nature of consciousness. Section 4. The emotional texture of thoughts. Our thoughts are not merely dry, abstract entities, they are imbued with emotional sensations. Every thought, no matter how seemingly mundane, carries with it an emotional charge. This emotional texture adds depth and richness to our inner lives, shaping our perceptions, influencing our decisions, and motivating our actions. Consider the thought of an upcoming vacation. This thought might evoke feelings of excitement, anticipation, and joy. The mental image of relaxing on a beach, exploring a new city, or spending time with loved ones triggers a cascade of positive emotions. These emotions, in turn, can influence our behavior, leading us to book flights, pack our bags, and eagerly await the day of departure. Conversely, the thought of a difficult conversation or a challenging task can evoke feelings of anxiety, apprehension, and dread. These negative emotions can lead us to avoid the situation or procrastinate on the task. The emotional weight of our thoughts can be a powerful force, shaping our choices and influencing the course of our lives. Even seemingly neutral thoughts can have subtle emotional undertones. The thought of what to have for dinner, for instance, might evoke a mild sense of anticipation or perhaps a touch of indecision. These subtle emotional nuances contribute to the overall texture of our conscious experience, adding depth and complexity to our inner world. Section 5. Components of emotional experience. Emotional valence refers to the positive or negative quality of an emotion. Joy, love, and excitement are examples of positive emotions, while sadness, anger, and fear are examples of negative emotions. The valence of an emotion can significantly impact our thoughts and behaviors, influencing our decisions and shaping our interactions with the world. Bodily sensations play a crucial role in emotional experience. When we experience an emotion, we often feel it in our bodies. Fear, for example, might be accompanied by a racing heart, shortness of breath, and sweaty palms. Joy might be accompanied by a feeling of lightness, warmth, and energy. These bodily sensations provide a physical anchor for our emotions, connecting our inner experiences to the world around us. Cognitive appraisal refers to the way we interpret and evaluate situations, which in turn influences our emotional responses. For example, if we perceive a situation as threatening, we might experience fear. If we perceive it as challenging, we might experience excitement. Our cognitive appraisals are shaped by our past experiences, beliefs, and values. These three components, emotional valence, bodily sensations, and cognitive appraisal, work together to create the rich tapestry of emotional experience. They are interwoven threads that contribute to the complexity and depth of our inner lives. Understanding how these components interact is essential for understanding the nature of emotions and their impact on our thoughts and behaviors. Section 6. The intertwined dance of thoughts and emotions. Thoughts and emotions are not separate entities. They are engaged in a constant, dynamic interplay. Our thoughts can trigger emotions, and our emotions can influence our thoughts. This reciprocal relationship shapes our perceptions, influences our decisions, and motivates our actions. For example, a positive thought about a past accomplishment can evoke feelings of pride and satisfaction. These positive emotions can, in turn, lead to more positive thoughts, creating a positive feedback loop. Conversely, a negative thought about a future event can trigger feelings of anxiety and worry. These negative emotions can then fuel further negative thoughts, creating a downward spiral. This intricate dance between thoughts and emotions highlights the interconnectedness of our inner lives. Our thoughts are not merely abstract entities, they are imbued with emotional weight. Our emotions are not simply fleeting feelings, they are shaped by our thoughts and beliefs. This dynamic interplay is at the heart of what it means to be human. By understanding the relationship between thoughts and emotions, we can gain greater insight into our own inner workings. We can learn to manage our emotions more effectively, challenge negative thought patterns, and cultivate positive emotional states. This self-awareness can empower us to live more fulfilling and meaningful lives. Section 7. The mind-body connection, a bridge between worlds. The mind-body connection refers to the intricate relationship between our mental and physical states. Our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs can have a profound impact on our physical health, and our physical health can influence our mental and emotional well-being. The brain, the physical organ that houses our minds, plays a central role in this connection. Neurotransmitters, chemical messengers in the brain, transmit signals between neurons, influencing our mood, thoughts, and behaviors. Hormones, released by the endocrine system, also play a role in regulating our emotional responses. When we experience stress, for example, our bodies release cortisol, a stress hormone that can have a negative impact on our immune system. Chronic stress can lead to a variety of health problems, including heart disease, high blood pressure, and depression. Conversely, positive emotions such as joy and gratitude can have a beneficial effect on our physical health, boosting our immune system and promoting overall well-being. The mind-body connection highlights the interconnectedness of our being. Our mental and physical states are not separate entities, but rather two sides of the same coin. By understanding this connection, we can learn to take care of both our minds and our bodies, promoting overall health and well-being.